can't send me back. Them can't take me off of their system, but they can't send me back. So right now, I tell you something, I'm homeless. That's why I want a hotel. Nah, we can't right now. In the hotel, I'm homeless.
A different type of something this man.
Wants to put inside. Lights are beautiful. Modern and everything, just modern. Modern lights. And I'm the first person to be moving in this apartment because it's new. Nice little drawers, everything. So this is ice room. Here, we have a little passage area for his place. I'm gonna put a little decoration and everything with a picture of me and him on the wall right there. In here now is the laundry area. When you come in here now, and here's the laundry. Where you do laundry. Yeah. And then now, this is ice room. So this is ice room. At least we have a ceiling fan, thank me to the Lord. So this is ice room. It's very big. Ice got a lot of damn space. It is huge, y'all. And it's modern. And and this is ice closet. Louis Corner room. This is ice closet. Yeah. Now let's go in the living room. Let's go. So now, in here, we have the living room space. So this is the living room area. Yes, this is the living room area. Louis touring the place. And this is the kitchen, my favorite part. You know, I always like the kitchen. Wow. Give them a update. This is the kitchen area. So modern and nice. Yeah, I'm in love with the lights, y'all. Look at the lights. It's just modern. You know what I'm saying? And then these ones right here. I don't know what the fuck that is, but that is something. And I have plugs every single where there is a plug. I'm loving it. Now, I think y'all call this pantry. Yeah, I think this is the pantry we put stuff in. And then over here is where you wash in the sink. Big enough we can throw ice in there. That's the sink and everything for ice. And then this is the fridge. We got a big fridge right here. Loving the fridge. Up there, I think people put alcohol up there. I don't know me I got buy alcohol to my full wine and beer things. Nice fridge. Angle that. Ice I just put a cup. Angle that. Yeah. And then we have over here. I love the tiles because they're modern and nice. And then we have this stove. I don't have to worry about clean out the damn stove because we have the stove. It is lovely. You know, we have. So do y'all like the kitchen? Because the kitchen is my favorite part. Like, let me dress back for you and show y'all. The kitchen is my favorite part, y'all. So that's the kitchen right there. Now let me give you a look on the balcony. This is the door to enter for the balcony. And this is outside. I have a big balcony. I'm gonna put the green grass out here. I'm gonna pull off the green grass to be out here. I'm gonna decorate it. This is my balcony. And the view. Outside. Let's go lower. Now let's go in my room now. This is my room, y'all. This is my room. I can't wait to show y'all, like, what you call it, animes or whatever it name. I can't wait to show you. Y'all gonna love it. This is my room, y'all. My room. And then this is my bathroom. This is my bathroom. This is a king size bedroom. A king size bathroom. Yeah, and then here's my bathroom, y'all. Ooh, period. Yeah. And I have where's that right here? And this is my closet. You guys love it? It's a fucking big ass bathroom, y'all. I won't lie, it's a big ass bathroom. I don't know why these two sink here, because I have that one. It's not no his or her for me. Ice is even. But I'm loving it. Guys, I can't wait to show y'all outside. You just have to bear with me until I'm finished packing. Then I can be able to show you guys outside and whatever. Oh, let him close. I want to pack in that now. Oh, nothing in there. What in there? So pull in there so let me see what in there. Pull in, let me see what in there. That's what I know, man. Close. 8 bucks. I never drunk. Y'all, this is ice room, y'all. This is ice room. Yeah, give them one tour. Guys, you want to see outside now? Or no want to go good? You want to see the rest of the apartment? Yeah, we call it amenities. What the fuck is that word? The fuck? I don't like me to pop none of them apartment, just want them. I'm not tired, man, come on. More. Eh? Them what? More and change ice. Make me wonder which some of them can pump us with. You know, pump us.
They can't send me back. They can't take me off of their system, but they can't send me back. So right now, I tell you, I'm homeless. That's why I want a hotel. Yeah, nah, we can't hurt now. In the hotel, I'm homeless. I sell out everything. The only thing I not even have nothing here, so. Me dash for everything and give me somebody. Me have to sell. I don't know, like me, I just only tell people that, because I don't know nobody if you know my business. Because they keep an ask over, so I just tell them that. They might wear furniture, they don't confuse me, they might go ask over. Sure. Me not tell no lie. The truck, everything. Kind of, you have to move from the apartment. The most important thing, me have life. I mean, I give up. Oh, so all I want me give up, me not give it up. I call close friend. When me fix the apartment, me gonna call close friend. Okay, but I forgot about my home. That's how I stay by myself. Plus, I don't say me not call because me not say it to nobody. The only somebody who know is my mother and my two friends. When me meet for the media, them alone me tell. Me not say it to nobody. That's how I tell you, I need to see a therapy. I paid. Number one, me cannot get a work in Switzerland unless we speak a language. If we get to an apartment, how I go pay? Who I go pay it? They go want proof, you know, who gonna pay it, right? The government does not pay it. So I'm in the apartment when me look for me love. They don't pay it. Them take me off the system. You see the apartment when me did fit $600, if me get the apartment, them gonna pay it. But them go want proof. Who I go pay it? You want to see the proof in my email? So they take me off the system? I'm not even gonna show them nothing because them so me irate because me that cry. That is the reason why I'm irate. Me don't want to go funding. Me alright. Start proof on TikTok, that's not a job. If me don't know if that's in America, but if you come over Switzerland, you cannot use say TikTok is paying you and they give you apartment. That's not a job. They cannot prove that. I go look about backyard and the woman say they want proof for the backyard. And me tell her, say, I have no proof, I have no job. I TikTok me work, but the woman say, you know work so. And I want different backyard, I have to look over higher to on top of that. I say, but it's a low class backyard I want proof. And the higher class one I want proof. I went, me go. The higher class, they don't want to prove. I tell them, say, look here, I've been working in African shop, I treat them forget the backyard there. And that's how me get the backyard I have now. You don't need any proof that so when me don't know how when people they are Jamaica and them place where they have foreign and work party and get apartment. Them easy to get it. Them easy. Because they don't run joke over your stuff. They need good proof, me love. Good evidence.